Allah the Exalted says, "And worship Allah and do not associate anyone with Him, and do good to parents and to relatives and orphan, and the needy and the near neighbor and the distant neighbor, and the companions of your side and the wayfarer, and to your male and female slaves. Undoubtedly Allah loves not the proud, boastful." Surah An-Nisa, verse 36. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said, "Dhil Qarb" means near relatives. Al-Jumbu Al-Gharibu means near neighbor. Al-Junubu means companions during journey. Hazrat Marur bin Suwaid narrates, "I saw Hazrat Abu Zar's slave wearing the same dress which Hazrat Abu Zar himself was wearing. When he was asked about it, he said, 'I abused a man and he complained to the Prophet ﷺ against me. So the Prophet ﷺ said to me, "Have you slighted his mother?" Then he ﷺ said, "They are your brothers whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has put under your control. So whosoever has a brother slave in his possession must feed him whatever he himself eats, and clothe him whatever he himself wears, and must not burden them with a task which they cannot carry out. And if you give them a hard task, you yourself help them out in that task." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2545.